Hi all, welcome to blacktactical.com. Okay, presenting the RM26 from Nextorch. As you can see, this RM26 is a very versatile piece of equipment. It allows the mounting of huge torches, because most torch for mounting scope rings are generally around 2.5 cm or 1 inch. Yeah, I think it's about 1 inch. So this one's a bit bigger, probably about it's 30 millimeter or so. So you can see it's big. And one thing good is RM26 also included longer screws to mount larger ones, which is cool. At least you don't need to start scratching your heads about what to mount what. So you can see, very cool. It also has you can see this mounting here, this screw mount. It allows you to loosen so you can turn to different angles. Very good. And right now I'm putting it on top so that I can use my thumb to trigger the switch, like this. Interested? Come to blacktactical.com or come to our address. See you there!